If you're chubby and you know it, clap your hands. If you're chubby and you know it, clap your hands. If you're chubby and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're chubby and you know it, clap your hands. क्या हुआ? मेरा गाना आपको अच्छा नहीं लगा? क्यों? Overweight people can't celebrate their bodies क्या?
Dabur Amla, what women want. Co-powered by Chenny Chenny Chai.
हाय, मैं हूँ करीना कपूर खान ऑन 104.8 इश्क और ये शो है डाबर आमला व्हाट वुमेन वांट। और आज हम बात कर रहे हैं अबाउट बॉडी इमेज। हमारी आज की गेस्ट ने अपनी बॉडी इमेज के साथ काफी स्ट्रगल किया है, लेकिन आज वो एक कॉन्फिडेंट डिजिटल कंटेंट मेकर है हु लव्स हरसेल्फ। शी इज अ कॉमेडियन, एक्टर एंड अ फैशनिस्टा और लोग इन्हें कई नाम से जानते हैं। बिली मासी, मावोक आनंद एंड मोस्ट ऑफ ऑल her real name Kusha Kapila. Please welcome Kusha, who's here to share her Dabur Amla story of strength.
Oh my God! Hello. I'm allowed to overreact, right?
Yes, you are.
Okay.
Aye, we're so happy that you're finally on the show.
I'm so happy to be here, and you know what? I've been manifesting this moment for a while now.
But I'm so happy that you're here, and we're gonna have like a fun chat. तो पहले खुशा, public figures don't really open up about their vulnerabilities.
Yeah.
और आपने काफी openly बात किया है body image के बारे में, आपकी stories के बारे में. How did you decide that I'm going to like be open about this and talk about this openly on social media?
I think it was just about being yourself, right?
Yeah.
I have never consciously tried to this is my story and this is how I'm going to curate it and this is how I'm going to project it. It has always been, this is me. I have a story and I'm going to share what I feel in my everyday life, and what I actually feel is a lot of body image issues and a lot of body insecurities that I felt when I was like 12 or 13-year-old, because when I was a teenager, I've a lot of aunties shame you for not being a skinny girl and all. So
oh God.
I come from a very Punjabi household where women would have zero filter ki aita badi moti ho gayi hai. They would just like come and say that to me, and initially all of that was fun because all of these aunties are damn hilarious, but after a while,
and now you're always imitating them now. That's why you're a pro at
that's
this.
why somebody asked me yesterday that why do you do this and what is your inspiration? I was like, it's all my past trauma.
And all your real life situations that you're bringing
all
to
the
life.
past trauma, everything that has been said to me about machalti hui necklines, about to bade thul ho gaye hain. So I just like channel it, and people find it funny because I think aunties leave
They
nobody.
actually say that?
Yeah. Yes.
But camera पे हम I think सब जानते हैं कि हम मोटे लगते हैं. But I think everyone knows that वो होता है.
Yeah.
So when you're shooting a video, are you conscious of that? आप कभी अपने team से कहते हो कि like this is the right angle, that is the right angle, or are you just like cool about shooting it?
I have to tell you this. So my team tells me this. I don't care because I'm a very like bindas, open. Like right now also like I want to be conscious about how this side of my body is looking, but I'm not, because I'm just so happy that I'm sitting across. I try to fold my legs in the middle and I was like, oh shit, it's not looking nice. And I think somebody from the team is going to be like, don't sit like that. My team takes care of that. There's so many times I would do something like this and be like,
Okay. तो कुशा, अब तक का तुम्हारा सबसे बुरा body shaming episode क्या है?
So like I remember in school, somebody imitated my walk. Because like they thought I walk funny is because of the shape of my body. I think that's when I was very demotivated that time because I was this scholar student and I was like, oh my God, like just because I walk a little funny or my body is a little disproportionate as according to you, you don't have to like mimic my walk. And I think they made a full like scene out of it in school. I was really upset. Recently, although I remember, so I am very, I don't wear like bikinis and swimsuits. I'm always very, very conscious.
Okay.
So I wore a swimsuit and like an Instagram person, I grammed it.
Grammed it?
And somebody wrote, so I was in the water, half body in water, half up. I just did this, okay. And somebody commented, ऐसे लग रहा है भैंस लेटी हुई है. And I was like, that is not cool.
Yeah, that's so mean.
Yeah, but I thought
so what
it's
did you
okay.
do? Just block?
I was like, I know, right?
Yeah.
IKR, right?
IKR. Oh my God, that's something that's I know, right?
I know, right?
चलो आज एक नया word भी I've learned from you, yeah.
Yeah, but
I didn't know this.
There's so many. Do you know the meaning of salty?
Salty?
Yeah.
No.
Salty is when somebody is just like upset with you and is throwing shade at you, so they're nasty with you.
Okay, so then they're being salty.
They stop being salty, man.
Stop. Oh my God, I like that, yaar. Definitely using that today at home. Stop being salty, Saif. हाँ? So कुशा, जितनी politically correct दुनिया अब हो गई है, I think हम सब unknowingly किसी को तो offend कर ही लेते हैं, you know? तो क्या तुमने कभी किसी को body shame किया है, like knowingly, unknowingly?
Of course, like I feel like when we were younger, the kind of content जिस पे हम हंसते थे या जो हमें funny लगता था, which was like maybe like the disrespectful portrayal of the gay community, of the LGBTQ community, or even you would have that quintessential lead की best friend जो मोटी होगी, हमको वो चीज़ें funny लगती थी, remember, because we weren't like woke enough.
Yeah, like yeah, we didn't know.
We didn't know. I feel like we didn't know better.
Yeah.
There weren't enough conversations around like how problematic that is. I feel now it is such a great time when we know that okay, this is something that can potentially hurt somebody, so let's stay away from that humor. And you know, Kareena, I really try that in my humor na, I never ever like offend like a marginalized society, like the marginalized sections of the society, or somebody who's already repressed or who already feels like they're not represented correctly.
But where do you draw the line? If someone is trolling you, how do you know, okay, this is person I want to block?
You know, initially I used to find it really fun. I thought it was a match and the best answer wins. So I used to try to be very witty. I remember this one guy once commented on my profile saying, agar makeup, so I don't know, for some reason people hate makeup. Like some people online, they just don't like makeup.
Men, women.
I don't want to specifically say men, but mostly men.
Acha.
So this guy comments on my picture and says, agar makeup na hota, to tumhara kya hota? And I was like, I am going to make sure that he eats
humble pie.
Eats the humble pie. And I said, अगर मेरा Instagram profile ना होता तो तू इस पे हकता कैसे?
Yeah.
And I see that a lot of people are like, oh my God, Kusha, great comeback. And I was like, this is never going to end.
Yeah.
What's the point of being so witty? What's the point of like only looking at hate? I have
being negative about
I have one hate comment and like 200 comments or like thousands of comments where people are like, you're so good, oh my God, you inspire me so much, and like your life is my life and you're so body positive. And I'm like, why am I even looking at all this?
So Kusha, there's a lot of talk in the digital world about not showing like likes and comments to users, you know, these days.
Yeah.
अगर ये हुआ तो तुम्हें कैसे impact होगा?
It's not going to impact me. I don't care about the likes anyway. I feel जो ये step लिया गया है, I think it is also keeping in mind that a lot of people started valuing themselves basis the likes they were getting on Instagram, which is not good for your self-worth. आपकी validation online portals से नहीं आएगी, आपकी validation उन चीज़ों से आएगी. It's like how you're growing as a person, what you're doing for yourself to change yourself every single day. And I feel like I may have gained a lot of followers in the last 1 year, but for me, my personal growth has been that I have become finally an adult. And I have started adulting very seriously.
Okay.
And I'm trying to be more punctual and have a routine in my life. Those are my personal growths, and that's how I value my self-worth. My self-worth is never going to be, oh, you're great and oh, you're bad. Those two things don't define my self-worth.
Okay, so we have a fab quiz. It's like a rapid fire. Thoda sa gonna put you in the spot. So the character you enjoyed doing most, Billy Masi or Mawok Anand?
Billy Masi, sure, mom. Billy Masi always.
The content creator with the brighter future, Komal Pandey, Dolly Singh.
Ayyo, why are you making... Okay.
I told you, na?
Dolly, because I've known her a longer time. And yes.
Dolly Singh.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Sorry, Komal.
The better YouTuber, Ashish Chanchlani or Bhuvan Bam?
I actually watch more of Bhuvan's content, and lately he's done some amazing work, so I like it. I love it. I love Bhuvan more.
So Bhuvan. The funnier comedian, Shrishti Dikshit or Prajakta Kohli?
Both are extremely talented, but yeah, the little bias in these answers.
So then say, who are you biased towards?
Shrishti.
Shrishti
It's personal relationship.
Well,
that's how you would answer
this is a rapid fire, so I can sense that there's a lot of things also going on in the digital world and stress, just like how Bollywood mein jaise hota hai. And great, I can feel that. So lastly, Kusha, of course, Billy Masi की आवाज में अपने trolls के लिए कुछ कहिए.
हेलो आई एम बिल्ली मासी फ्रॉम वन जोरबाग एंड मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि अगर आपको मेरे स्टाइल से कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, आपको मेरी अदाओं से कुछ प्रॉब्लम है और आपको मेरे मटन रान के अंदर हड्डी डालनी है तो प्लीज़ आप ले लीजिए जहाँ भी लेना है आपने अपने शब्दों को। डन।
I'm loving this. I've loved it. It's been the best episode ever.
Thank
I'm
you.
so happy I met you. And बहुत ही positive interview हुआ है. आपकी energy बहुत positive है. Thank you so much for coming on my show.
Thank you so much for having me. This is a dream come true for me. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much, Kanya.